How to have blank highlight in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your preferred browser and then search for blank text. Now, simply copy your blank text from any of the website. After that, what you will have to do is launch your Instagram. Then tap on your profile icon. Now, in order to create a highlight or simply edit the highlight and make it a blank one, simply go to more. Now, go to edit highlight. In the title, simply paste the blank text and then select done. Refresh your highlight, and now you can see there is no text but there is still a highlight. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.